Hello and welcome on this edition of Hub Encounter. We have with a six-time world champion and boxing superstar Mary Kom. And thank you very much. And this would be short interview but very interesting interview. You are here for National Games mascot launch. How was your experience?
Oh well, it's good actually. It's grand mascot launch happened. So I was there, and everyone is Goa's chief minister there, and a sports minister there, and IOA president and executive members are there, and the huge crowd was, that was I think it's a grand successfully happened. Yeah.
There are two aspects for national games. One is purely games that are being played and played in. Another is euphoria or air around the game that is being created actually before the game starts. Lot of publicity. So do you think that such kind of publicity will help people to have interest in the games and eventually take on the being athletes?
Well, that is if I tell you, I'm not very much about. I mean, I didn't know much about. I didn't aware much about sports. Actually, aware that when we know about the games going to be happen, and everywhere, of course, everyone is aware, and they have that another energy. Well, even when I compete in national for the first state champion and the national champion, and women boxing was not included in the game at that time. So
In the
far,
national
in
games.
the national games, when women boxing was introduced in the national games, that another dream that once I also wants to compete in the national game. That dream we have. So now to everyone is aware. Sports is what is mean of sports. If they are very talented, and that how I mean, everyone is serious in sports. Serious about in sports, not only in boxing, every sport, every discipline. So I hopefully this time also in Goa, maybe in local people also, they will also have the dream to compete in the national games, and after that national game they will have a dream more. I mean, in the upcoming, any competition games and all.
Ma'am, how important national games are to find out the real talent so that we can go international and and especially in events like Olympics?
National games and national games important, very much important, of course. From that only we are getting a chance to join to go for the national game. Then exposure like other international competition. So when you achieve, when you get a medal in the national and in national games only, you can able to join in the national game. And this is very, very important. If you are not competing in the national and the national games, and you cannot, you cannot go for the national game.
Goa is, everyone likes to come to Goa. Now games are also happening in Goa. So that is also something which people are looking out for.
Something changed. Some things people have more, have that another dream, like, Goa is a beautiful place. We all know everywhere. Even I keep on coming. I love Goa as well. I think a year means I came thrice, so I love very much Goa, and it's even I have seen a lot of change and a lot of developments come. And after these national games, I'm going to see more, stadium, and that is another, view we can able to see sports every corner, everywhere we can able to see the stadium and all the facility. So this the tourism, so we all know that there's so many people, they keep on coming, they keep on, even abroad, the foreigners are also coming. So it's not, I mean, there is no doubt that is tourism too. And the sport also, see, even after this national, it's going to be held in Goa. That will be amazing, and
Can we
people
expect
will more to love.
more
Yeah,
people
Goa.
to come to see
Yeah,
games?
more to love, more to come, of course. Why not?
Okay, ma'am, you're also talking about your comeback later this year. Tell us more about.
Yes, now my doctor is allowed me to, start my training, and of course, slowly. And I think ACL, my surgery that happened in last 6, 7 months, 8 months back, and now still I'm doing my rehabilitation, and now still under the recovery is going. I am trying to, come back very soon, and hopefully this year too, once I want to come back and I want to compete one international.
Are you looking at
When
Asian Games or?
I was looking the men to Asian Games, but I will able to fit or not, that I cannot say. I'm not sure, but I will try my best. To be fit for the Asian Games, and if not, because ACL, the my surgery that happened is it's a very major injury, so I cannot say, but I will try my best to, to compete in the Asian Games. If not, then definitely I want to compete before the retirement, any international competition.
Before retirement in any
Yes, in
international
this
competition?
year. In this year.
How do you, what is your sentiments right now? 6 times world
See,
champion, 5 times. So all
well,
these laurels you have, and you can see
I
your retirement coming
definitely,
in.
yeah, thank you. See, I don't know. I'm a sports, and I'm really passionate in sports, in my discipline especially, and I'm passionate in my fitness as well. And of course, I love to play. I was really concerned on my fitness, and maybe if there is no age limit, or I want to play another 5 years actually. So because of the age limit, I cannot compete anymore in next year. So only this year I have a chance to compete for, for the country. So I will get a chance or not, I don't
Are
know,
you looking
because
at relaxation in age limit so that you can play for more years?
if there is relaxation, then yes, I will love to play another three,
Are
4
you
years.
asking for
I
relaxation?
didn't I didn't ask, because I cannot do. I'm helpless. I cannot say, I cannot do alone actually. See, this is a rule, the IBA rule. Then, if every country is, they don't say anything, they don't have any, complaint, then it's not impossible.
After your movie, life has changed socially. People are
What
recognizing you
life's
more,
changed? I'm same. I'm same actually.
but socially, people are recognizing you more.
Mary is Mary. Today Mary, before Mary and after Mary, Mary is the same actually. Only the change of, when we go out, when we are traveling, when we go for a shopping and market, whatever, that is crowd or crowd like the this fans follows, there's so much love. And so I cannot say no to them when they want to picture with me, when they say picture for or autograph. When they request me, then I cannot able to ignore them. I cannot able to avoid them. So maximum I can give a time I'm giving to them.
So your story in movie has been told till date, and there's a lot of things. Are you looking at a sequel of the movie wherein all other years are also covered of your life?
I don't know if there is part 2, then of course they will definitely cover everything.
Are you looking at part 2?
I'm looking at for that, actually looking forward to make a part 2
Part
if
2 of the
possible.
movie.
Yeah, who will come? Anybody will come, that is most welcome. So that is because the movie, the biopic movie was not complete, actually, only till 5-time world champion. Even though Olympic, the story and another 6 medal, the journey of, it's not included yet.
So you want Priyanka Chopra only to play your?
Of course, she is already took my role in the part 1. I think if possible, she can, I think.
Thank you very much, actually.
Yes, she is, of course, doing a great job, actually.
So in sequel also you are looking at
Yes,
she
definitely.
being,
Yes,
playing
she will
your
be.
role in.
I wish.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am,
Thank
for
you so
spending
much.
time.
Yeah. No problem.
This was Mary Com, and we have heard her story. We have seen the movie, but right now what we are discussing is National Games, and we are expecting more response this time to National Games in Goa, because when it's Goa, people love to come to Goa, and when it's games, Indians love to play games. You are watching Hub Encounter. Keep watching.